And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 152. Let us render a frame. It's also possible in Photoshop directly, so you don't have to import one. We'll create a new layer, go to Filter, Render, Picture Frame, and there are presets for frame and the flowers. Depending on what style you pick, the flowers aren't that important, or in this case pretty vine. The flowers are most important and the vine isn't that important. And you can see the colors have a different effect then. Here in this case, as I've said, the flowers dominate for pretty vine. But no matter what you use, all of the adjustments have an impact. Margin is one of the most impactful because it brings it closer in or moves it to the outside. Usually you want to have all of the flowers and vines visible, so go up with margin at least a little bit. And size is for how thick they are, and arrangement is basically a randomization. I've said we can change the flowers as well. Let me just set this to rows, and you can adjust the size once more. If a preset has leaves, you could adjust them below. And there are some advanced options. Here most important is the thickness, as this is going to intensify it. Angle is yet another way to randomize it, and fading is important. If you go too high, you're going to fade it all out. So make sure that you're below 100, and then you can see it. Finally, you could also invert it. Once you're happy with what you've got, just confirm, and then you've got your frame on this new layer. If you don't want to use it for an image, just drag and drop it here, and then simply make sure that in the layers menu, your image is below the frame layer. In my case, it's layer 1, so I'll left click drag and put it below. And this I can render a frame in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.